Today I am going to tell about the biostatics subject, and in this video I'm going to teach about the biostatics. Okay, don't mind it because I don't have any board, so that's why I am doing this video orally. Okay, but you can understand my notes very clearly. Okay, in this biostatics we are going to discuss about the first topic, that is measure of central tendency and dispersion and correlation. First of all, we have to know about the statistics. This is the statistics. What do you mean by the statistics? We are all here about the statistics in mathematics, okay? And it is a branch of mathematics which dealing with the collection, organization, analysis and interpretation, presentation of the data. In the statistics, it is a form of mathematical analysis that which is used to quantify the models and representations for given the experimental data. These statistics studies methodologies to gather, review, analyze and draw the conclusions from the data. By these statistics, we can analyze the drug, or we can measure, we can easily identify the data about the drug. And some statistical measurements which includes the mean, regression analysis and kurtosis, variance and analysis of the variances. Here in the statistics, this term is used to summarize a process that analyzes the data of the drug. In pharmaceutical industry, the data set depend upon the sample of larger population. Then the analyst can develop the interpretations about the population which based on the statistical outcomes. This statistical analysis involves the process of gathering, evaluating data, then summarizing the data into mathematical form. These statistical methods analyze the large volume of data and their properties. In this statistics, which is used in various disciplines such as psychology, business, physical and social sciences, humanities, government, manufacturing, etc. These statistics data which is gathered by using the sample procedure or any other methods. By the two types of statistical methods which are used in analyzing the data in descriptive statistics and interfacial statistics. These are the two main types of the data which is used to analyzing the data. These are the two methods. They are interfacial statistics and descriptive statistics. In the descriptive statistics, which is used to synthesize the data from a sample exercising the mean or standard deviation. Where it comes to the interfacial statistics, which is used when the data which is viewed as subclass of a specific population. Here in this topic we are going to know about the statistics, and we know about the statistics now, and we are going to know about the biostatistics. Here statistics means the process which analyzing the data. Okay, in these pharmaceutical industries, biostatistics, bio means life, the applications of the statistics to a wide range of topics in biology that is called as biostatistics, especially in biological experiments, designs, and medicines, pharmacy, agriculture, and fishery. The collection and summarization of the data from the experiment, and then it will be interpreted to get the final results. A major branch which is medical biostatistics, which exclusively concerned with the medicine and health. We all know about the in statistics contains mean, mode, median. Okay. Here in biostatistics and genetics, the biostatical modeling forms are important part of the modern biological theories. Genetic studies which is beginning to use statistical concept to understand the experimental results. Some genetic scientists even contributed with the statistical advances with the development of methods. Gregor Mendel, who was a Gregor Mendel was a great scientist. He started the genetics studies to investigate the genetic segregation patterns in families of peas and some other plants. After that, in early 19th century, the rediscovery of Mendel's Mendelian inheritance work, there were gaps in understanding between the genetics and evolutionary dwarfism. In that time, Francis Galton tried to expand the Mendel's discoveries with the human data and proposed a different models with the fractions of hereditary coming from the infinite series, which is called as theory of law of ancestral heredity. These are the some biostatics and genetics which is related to the statistics, and after that biometricians could not reproduce the Galton conclusions in different experiments. By the solving these differences, he also allowed the concept of population and brought together genetics and evaluation. These biostatics and medicines are majorly used in the pharmaceutical industry to distribute the drug to the patients. In the biostatics and medicines, the statistical concepts are also present in the clinical trials and epidemiological studies. These fields have their own history of biostatics development. In 18th century, the biostatics methods are used to decide the application of certain treatments which are effectively work on the smallpoxes like etc. After the frequency distribution list or graph, which is I will show that in this frequency distribution list, the various outcomes are came in this sample. Each entry of the table contains frequency of the occurrence within a particular group of table. I will show them. Here the frequency distribution table, age groups, frequency, cumulative frequency, and the score and frequency are observed. After that, the measures of central tendency. The Measurements of central tendency, which contains mean, mode, median. We already know about the mean, mode, median. Um, in 10th class, we will remember that in mathematics in 10th class, we will study about the mean, mode, median by solving different types of examples also. Okay, in these measures of central tendency, it teach the point about the items which have a tendency to cluster, such as measure which is considered to the most representative mass of the data. Well, it comes to the mean, it also called as arithmetic average. Mean nothing but average. It is the most common measure of the central tendency, and it also defined as the value of dividing the total values by given series by the total number of items. I will give the arithmetic mean formula also in this video. Here is that. This one is the arithmetic mean formula. You can observe here. This is the arithmetic average. Mean is nothing but the arithmetic average. Okay. After that, mode. The mode, it is the set of data which is nothing but, I'll tell orally. Okay, the mode of set of data values are appears most oftenly. For example, x or 1 2 3 4 5 6, like these numbers. Sorry.